I'll be sharing with you a secret app people have been using to make money online. This life is all about information. The information you have is what you work with. So many people have been using it to make money online. Now, making money online is something you want to try, especially if you're not paying to use a website or an app. You always want to try something out to see if it will work or not. Many people use it as a side hustle. So I stumbled onto this creator talking about how you can make money online, how you can make up to $700 using this particular app that counts number of steps you take a day. Like, this app encourages people to do daily exercise and you earn from it. Like, you do exercise daily, this app records your steps every day and pay you for it. And it's not just by exercising daily, there are other things you can do on this particular app and you earn. So I decided to try it. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you the process, how much I've earned so far, the withdrawal process, how you can start earning, and other things you can do on this app. So I will be showing you how I tried it, how much I've earned. I mean, this particular app is awesome. It encourages you to do daily exercise, and there are other things you can do on this app to earn money from it. Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. This is Grow with Stacy. Here we'll talk about how to make money online and how to grow your YouTube channel. If this is type of content you love to be seeing, please subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for more mind-blowing updates on how to make money online and how to grow your YouTube channel. This app is worth trying because you're not paying anything to use it. You just download it, install it, and start exercising daily, and you start earning. I'll be showing you all the process you go through in downloading, installing, and everything you need to do to earn money from this app. I'll be showing you that using my phone screen. The first thing to do is to head over to your Play Store or your App Store to download this app, install it, and sign up with your email address, confirm email address, create your password and your username. Then it will bring you to this interface where you will see something like this. There are 3 different ways you can earn from this app. You earn by taking a walk every day. You earn by inviting your friends, like you earn 5% of whatever your friends are cashing out. You earn by playing games. There are games attached to this app that when you play, you earn up to 1,000 coins. Then when you take a walk every day, it will be recording your walk every day. This is where your work will be recorded every day, and you earn coin as you're taking a walk every day. And this you can adjust. You can adjust the maximum step you can take, your daily step goal. You can either add or subtract depending on your capacity, because the more you take a walk, the more you earn. There is also what is called daily gifts. As you log on every day, a gift will be given to you, and to unlock more gifts, you have to take a walk. So this app encourages the users to do daily exercise and earn from it. So it's a very awesome app. So when you take a walk every day, you stand a chance of getting different gifts. So as you can see, I've earned up to 4,200 coins already. You have a referral link. If you share your link to your friends, they will join using your link and you earn. This is where you to share it and you earn. Then another thing here is to play the games associated to this app. There are games associated with it, but when you play these games, these are the games associated different. As you play the games, you can earn 1,000 coins per game. They have new games that is always added every time. Then the most important part is whether you can cash out. Yes, of course, you can actually cash out. And again, they have help center. If you find anything like difficult, you have any question, you can connect with them through Facebook, through Instagram, Twitter, Telegram. A lot of ways you can connect to their help center. Then as you can see from here as well, you can see results of so many people that have redeemed their coins. You can see their names and how much point they've redeemed. These are coins that can be converted to money, to dollar, to cash. So this is an awesome app. Okay, we've gotten to the point where everybody will want to know, can you withdraw, can you cash out? From what I can observe in this app, you can actually cash out. So far I've earned 4,200 coins. So if I want to cash out, I click on cash out. It will bring me to this interface where this is, they said cash out not available yet. You need at least 20,000 points for you to cash out. As you can see, it can actually cash out. So how do you cash out? So I tried cashing out and I did not see any option. The only option I saw there is when you get to cash out threshold. So I head over to their help center to find out how I can cash out. So how do I cash out my game points? He said when you cash out your game, your points will be converted to Bitcoin, USD, Ethereum, USDT, and will be transferred via your preferred method selected through the app. So apparently, before this option will come up, you must have reached the threshold of 20,000 coins. So that's why it's not showing them. So firstly, head into the app menu, and if you have reached the minimum required, you will be able to cash out via one of the three options. You can cash out through BTC Coinbase, or through PayPal, or through Ethereum USDT. So you can actually cash out. So apart from the money aspect of it, I think this app is a great app. It encourages you to take a walk every day, to exercise every day, and it will keep you healthy. And when you have this consciousness that you can earn from it, it also encourages you to exercise daily. So I think it's a great app, and if you devote your time doing it, you can earn up to $300 or even more, because this coin will worth more than, depending on the coin base they're converting it to. I think it's really worth trying. So you can actually download this and use it just to keep fit and also to earn from it. That will be all for now. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.